In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take attendance using Microsoft Teams effectively. This is a crucial skill, especially for educators and managers who want to ensure everyone invited to a meeting actually attends. Let's dive right in and make this process as seamless as possible. First, you'll want to start by going to Microsoft Teams. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, make sure to do that first, or simply open it in your browser by navigating to teams.microsoft.com. Once you're there, log into your account. It's as simple as entering your credentials and you're ready to go. Now, assuming you've already scheduled a meeting or are in the midst of one, let's talk about how we can take attendance. From your open meeting window, the navigation will be your best friend. Look for the people icon. It usually resembles two small overlapping circles or a group-like image and should be within your meeting controls, perhaps at the top of the screen or on the side, depending on your device and app version. Once you click on the People button, it will reveal a list of participants in the meeting. Here you can see everyone who is invited and identify who's joined and who hasn't. This is especially useful if you need to track attendance over several meetings or sessions. A helpful tip to remember here is that you can use this opportunity not only to see who attended the meeting in real time, but also to keep a record. Many users utilize this feature to download participant lists for their records. To do this, look for the option to download the attendance list. This is an extra step that Microsoft Teams makes incredibly easy, helping you maintain an organized record without having to manually jot down names during or after your meeting. Understanding who is in attendance can help you tailor your meeting discussions and make it interactive for everyone involved. Also, after downloading the list, you can examine patterns like who's consistently attending your meetings or maybe who's missing them regularly, which could help in future planning or follow-ups. Once you're done viewing and, if needed, downloading that attendance list, you're essentially done with this task for your current meeting. That was easier than you expected, right? So, just to recap, remember, open Microsoft Teams, join your meeting, click on People, and there you go. Your attendance is right in front of you. Using Teams for attendance not only saves time, but also helps avoid the hassle of traditional methods, like sending inadequate emails for RSVPs or doing physical roll calls. That's it for today's tutorial. Hopefully this guide makes your next meeting more streamlined and productive. Thank you for watching and happy planning with Microsoft Teams.